Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode and fix your PlayStation 4 if you are having problems with it. So you want to completely turn off your PS4. You can either hold down the power button on the front of the PS4 for about 10 to 15 seconds. It will completely turn off. Otherwise, hold down the PlayStation button and then go on over to power and then go to turn off right here and completely 100% turn off your PlayStation 4. Then go to the front of the PlayStation. And then plug in your controller with a USB cable. So plug the USB-N into the PlayStation, the micro USB-N into your controller. Then when the PlayStation is completely turned off, there is no light on the light bar right here. Hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then you will hear another beep about 10 to 15 seconds later, indicating it's going to be launching into safe mode. Go ahead and then let go. Now, on your controller, when the on-screen mode comes up, press the PlayStation button and you can operate the safe mode menu now. So I can see on my screen, I'm going to press the PlayStation button. Then I can use the D-pad to go up and down, and I can select the options with X. So I should be in safe mode now on my PlayStation 4, where I have all these different options like restart PlayStation 4, change the resolution, update system software, restore default settings. Then here are the safe mode menus where we can restart the PlayStation 4, change the resolution, update the system software, restore default settings, rebuild database if we are having hard drive issues, initialize PlayStation 4, and then initialize PlayStation 4, reinstall system software. So these are all the different options. Now most of the time I go to option number 5, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.